Hello my beautiful friends, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing amazing. Today I am going to be filming a video on how I straighten my hairs and just tell you my personal way of straightening my hair. So if you guys want to see how I do it, please continue to watch this video. So the first thing I'm going to do is just open up my hair. I just showered, so I'm going to blow dry my hair first. If you have time, so you can just let your hair air dry, which is I think better, but I'm going to blow dry because I'm just doing the video and I just washed my hair. So if you have the chance to air dry your hair, I would recommend you to air dry your hair because blow dry has a lot of heat in it which can damage your hair. So I definitely recommend कि आप अपने बालों को खुद सूखने दें. So the first thing I'm going to be applying is some hair leave-in conditioner. It's like a serum which moisturizes my hair after I'm done washing them. This one is by Body Shop. I don't remember the name. Also the bottle has been lost, so I've just shifted this into this container. But I will link the name down below in the description box. So it's a little sticky. It has like this consistency. You don't have to apply a lot of it. 2-3 pumps काफ़ी होंगे. And I'm just going to apply this on the ends of my hair. Even though it says on the bottle that you can apply it on your dry hair as well, but I think it works better on wet hair. Really concentrating it on the ends. I'm just going to brush my hair thoroughly. I got extensor done, which it just ruined my hair and I don't recommend it to anyone. My hair have been falling a lot since then and it just damages your hair a lot, so I don't really recommend it. I got it done like it's been 9 months now. No, 7-8 months, but अभी तक मेरे बाल बहुत damaged हैं and I still regret getting it done. I'm just going to be taking my hair dryer. This is by Babyliss. I think this brand is the best for hair straighteners, hair blow dryers and all the hair products. I think this brand is the best. I have tried a lot of them, but I think this one works the best. I will link it down below, the website where you can buy this from. If you use a blow dryer before straightening your hair, it gives your hair a lot of volume, which I definitely love. I won't be able to speak, so I'm just letting you all know everything before. So let's start it. I started brushing my hair while I was blow drying it. It kind of like straightens your hair a little bit and makes your job easier. I'm so pissed at myself because I just ran out of my hair protecting spray, sorry, heat protecting spray, जो कि मेरा ख़त्म हो गया है. But I really recommend you guys to apply a heat protecting spray before you put any kind of heat on your hair. It really helps. It doesn't damage your hair as much, जो कि अगर आप directly straightening या blow dry करने लगोगे तो आपके बाल damage होते हैं. So it really helps you with protecting your hair. Lekin as you guys know, I ran out of mine, so I'm just going to skip that part. And the one I use, I'll just link the name down below. I'm directly going to go in with the straightening part now. I'm just going to plug in my straightener. Okay, so the straightener that I use is by Cune. And I don't know what it is actually called. I don't know. Okay, this is called Titan Straightener by Cune. The number is 100240B. I guess this is what it's called. I got this for around 4,000 to 5,000, which I think is extremely great. I did not want to spend a lot on a hair straightener because I was broke. I am going to portion my hair. I'll just take like one layer where my ears end and I will just take one layer of my hair and I will just section them. जितना आप छोटे chunks लेके section में अपने बालों को blow dry करते हैं, straighten करते हैं sorry, उतना आपके बाल अच्छे से straighten होते हैं. और जितना आप मोटा chunk या मोटा piece लेंगे कि मेरे बाल जल्दी से straighten हो जाएं, उतना आपके बाल थोड़ी देर में वेवी हो जाते हैं और इतने अच्छे से स्ट्रेट नहीं होते and they don't give you the look that you are going for and they even don't last for very long. I'm just going to take my hair and tie them like so. This straightener has degrees, like you can put it on 200 degree and you know, maximum it can go till 220 I believe, and I'm going to keep it on 180. I think it's a nice balance. The thing I like to do when I'm straightening my hair is I just like to take my hair like this on a brush, and I like to clamp my straightener right here and go along with my brush. So this is making sure that I'm combing my hair at the same time I'm straightening them. Also, don't straighten your hair every day. You're gonna ruin it, I swear. जितने आप कम अपने बालों पे केमिकल्स प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ करोगे उतने ही अच्छे आपके बाल रहेंगे. पीपल थिंक कि हेयर केयर होना ज़रूरी है, आपको 100 चीज़ें लगानी चाहिए बालों में. नो, दैट्स नॉट द केस. I don't really put a lot of stuff in my hair. I put castor oil and mustard oil. I just put castor oil on the roots of my hair or mustard oil on the ends of my hair, which really helps my hair to grow and, you know, to condition them. I don't use chemicals. I don't use any products. This is the only like the gel that I put on when I was, you know, about to blow dry my hair. And I get like hundreds of messages, people asking me about my hair color. So I just want to let you guys know I have never in my life dyed my hair. मेरे बाल हमेशा से ऐसे हैं. And so many people tell me that I'm telling lie and I'm not being honest with you guys, that I have got done like highlights and streakings in my hair, which you guys can see here. So I just want to let you guys know that even this is natural. I just have like 5-6 spots in here, like only on the right side of my head, and I have these colored hair on these spots. I have never dyed my hair. This is all natural. I would never dye my hair because I love my hair color so much. Even when I'm like, sometimes I really want to experiment with my hair because let's be honest, everyone gets bored with their hair. My husband is like, no, you cannot get your hair colored. So when people tell me that I'm lying, I just tell them like if I wanted to get highlights or, you know, I wanted to go for streaking in my hair, I would have gotten it done all over my head. Like, why would I only do it on the right side of my hair? Not a lot of people trust me, but I just wanted to make this clear. Anyways, continuing with the video, I am going to take another portion of my hair, and now I'm taking it where my ear starts. So this is where I'm taking the part. Now the third section that I'm going to be taking is from my brows. I don't know, I just lose my hair ties and my clips so much. I think they have legs and they walk out of my room when I sleep. This is actually what I think, because I just lose them so quickly. No matter जितनी हज़ारों hair pins मैं ले लूँ, in the end of the day वो खो जाती हैं. Also, I wanted to ask you guys something, that what do you guys prefer, me talking to the video or you guys like voiceovers? Just gonna open my front hair. Even in these, I'm going to take like sections. This is the one section that I'm going to be taking and straightening first. I will just pin these here. Okay, so I'm just going to open my front section, the last section. I'm just going to comb this out and straighten them. I will just brush out my hair once again and make sure there are no extra chunks left. And I will just go all over my hair just a little bit. So after that I'm done straightening my hair. I am just going to spray my hair with this hairspray. This is a hair shine spray. It gives your hair a very beautiful shine, and it really makes your hair look shiny and nice. So this is pretty much it, you guys. This is how I straighten my hair, and which is super easy, super quick. It just takes you half an hour. And if you guys like this video, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell. If you do that, that would mean a lot to me. And I will see you guys very soon, inshallah, in my next video. Bye.